Tomato frog is red and round, hopping where the bugs are found. In the swampy, muddy ground, he makes a croaky ribbit sound. Red, red, wonderful red, in the skies where wings are spread. Red, red, beautiful red, feathers and fur from tail to head.
Ladybug with spots of black, crawling on the flower's back. Tiny wings and gentle feet, hiding where the leaves all meet. Scarlet Ibis flies with grace, long red wings in open space. By the marsh with legs so thin, dipping beak and walking in.
Red, red, wonderful red, in the skies where wings are spread. Red, red, beautiful red, feathers and fur from tail to head. Salamander, soft and red, hides beneath the garden bed. Likes it cool and damp and dark, creeping near the tree's old bark. Little red crab in the sand, scuttles sideways, swift and grand. Pinchers up and digging deep, building castles while we sleep.